In the vast silence of the northern forests, where giant trees rise like ancient guardians and the land challenges every machine ever built, one name stands above the rest. A machine forged not just in steel, but in tradition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of power. This is the Caterpillar 555D wheel skidder, a titan born from decades of engineering, shaped by the demands of the modern forestry industry, and trusted by those who make their living harvesting the forests of the world. Today, we follow its legacy, its strength, its precision, and the impact it has carved into the heart of forestry operations everywhere. Deep in the toughest environments on Earth, where mud swallows trucks, slopes defy gravity, and forests stretch past the horizon, few machines dare to operate. But the Caterpillar 555D was built exactly for this. Designed to pull, push, climb, drag, and endure, the 555D is more than a skidder. It is a force of nature, engineered for the impossible. With its massive frame, reinforced articulation joint, and high-torque cat engine, it stands as a true workhorse, capable of dragging enormous bundles of logs through terrain where lesser machines surrender. At the center of the 555D lies a Caterpillar 7.1 Acert diesel engine, tuned for raw pulling power and unmatched durability. Its torque curve is designed not for speed, but for strength. The kind of strength a logger depends on when hauling tons of freshly cut timber across slippery, uneven ground. Every component, from the cooling system to the powertrain, is engineered to withstand heat, pressure, vibration, and the endless punishment of forestry work. The 555D doesn't merely operate, it endures. In forestry, traction is life. The 555D delivers it with one of the most advanced four-wheel drive systems Caterpillar has ever built. Its heavy-duty axles, differential lock, and optimized weight distribution allow it to move effortlessly through soft soil, swampy trails, and steep terrain. Every turn of the wheel is backed by hydraulic intelligence, a synergy of force and fluid motion, designed to keep the skidder moving when everything around it tries to stop it. The forest floor is unpredictable, chaotic, unforgiving, but the grapple of the 555D turns chaos into order, designed for versatility, speed, and control. The large-capacity Caterpillar dual-function grapple allows operators to pick, sort, rotate, and secure logs with almost surgical precision, even when holding massive loads, even when the machine tilts, leans, or climbs. The grapple moves with fluid accuracy, becoming an extension of the operator's hands. This is not just power. This is power guided by intelligence. Forestry is a battle of endurance. Hours become long, the terrain becomes harsh, and the days become unforgiving. So Caterpillar designed the 555D cab not as a cockpit but as a command center. Wide windows deliver panoramic visibility. Noise isolation shields the operator from the chaos outside. Ergonomic controls reduce strain, allowing for smooth movements, even in the tensest situations. And then, there is the seat, suspended, adjustable, built to absorb the shock of uneven terrain while keeping the operator focused and comfortable. In the forest, comfort is not luxury, it is survival. Every modern forestry machine must do more than perform. It must protect. The 555D is engineered to reduce ground disturbance, minimize fuel consumption, and operate efficiently, even in environmentally sensitive areas. Its cooling systems prevent overheating in hot climates, while its sealed electrical components withstand moisture, freezing temperatures, and dust. This is sustainability through engineering power built with responsibility. Logging doesn't wait. The forest doesn't stop. And downtime can cost thousands of dollars in a single day. That is why the 555D was designed with easy-access maintenance panels, modular components, and centralized service points. Hydraulic systems are protected but accessible. Filters can be replaced quickly. Diagnostics are simplified. A skidder earns money only when it moves, and the Caterpillar 555D was built to keep moving, day after day, season after season. The 555D is not just a machine. It is the result of generations of engineering refinement. From the first Caterpillar skidders of the 1960s to the modern data-driven equipment of today, every innovation, every improvement, every piece of feedback from operators around the world helped shape the machine we know today. A machine with the soul of a pioneer and the strength of a legend. Behind every skidder, there is a story, a worker, a family, a forest. The Caterpillar 555D becomes part of those stories, the partner that never quits, the companion in the harshest winters, the machine that makes forest work possible and sustainable. Operators trust it, companies rely on it, forests adapt to it, because this skidder, like those who run it, is built for resilience. Year after year, harvest after harvest, the Caterpillar 555D proves itself worthy of its place in the forestry world. It stands as a symbol of progress, a bridge between human skill and mechanical strength, between tradition and technology, between the forest of today and the forest of tomorrow. It is more than a skidder, it is a legacy on wheels. a machine that carved its name in the woodlands of the world and continues to shape the future of forestry. In the end, the forest rewards only those who understand it. Those who respect its power, value its resources, and dare to work within its mysteries. The Caterpillar 555D is the ultimate expression of that understanding, a machine that honors the land, supports the worker, and leads the industry forward. This is the Caterpillar 555D wheel skidder, a giant, a guardian, a legend, forged in the wilderness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more incredible machines at work.